Hello everyone, it's Melly. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. If you're, please don't forget to subscribe down below if you like my content. I will be very happy to welcome you into our community. And for those of you who return to my channel, thank you so very much. I really appreciate it. Today we have another exciting video for you guys, at least for me, as I always say. But it is a collaboration with Amanda, and I'm so glad and so honored that talented people want to collaborate with me on YouTube. So thank you very much, Amanda. If you don't know her, here is a picture right here. Her channel will be linked on the little I and on the description box down below. She's doing amazing makeup as well. I mean, as well, like my other, with like the other persons I collabed with, not talking about me. I really like her content. She's doing some unboxing, testing new makeup, doing a makeup tutorial, a little bit like my channel. And yeah, I really like her. She really has for me the appearance of a boss lady. I don't know why, just the picture that I have of her. And she's very kind also, so I'm very glad to collaborate with a kind and talented person. So thank you again, Amanda. And I will tell you what this video is about. Both of us, we have the Jaclyn Hill Palette Volume 2. So we decided to pick 5 eyeshadows for the other person. So Amanda chose for me the color Certified, which is like a cream matte. She chose Positivity. It's like a coral, Tipsy Girl, a neon pink, Oh Hello, it's like a plum, and Temptress, the black one. So if you want to see which colors I choose for her, after watching this video, please go watch her video and support her channel by subscribing to her. And if you're coming from her channel, welcome. I really appreciate that you're coming this way. I hope that you will like my content and that you will feel like subscribing to me. So let's begin. As usual, I did my eyebrows, I put some Plouise base on, and I will begin with the eyes today because of the fallout, maybe. I will begin first with the color Certified, the cream shadow. I'm just gonna put that all over the lid to help the blending afterwards. So the idea was to pick random colors to have a little bit of a challenge, you know, plus the fact that you don't show the color, but you know, a little bit of difficulties. And then I'm going in with the Oh Hello color. I will put that right here, just for the moment placing the color in a V shape. I'm like following the line of the eye and then going into the crease. And I'm stopping right here. I'm really staying on the outer V. And then it will be a question of blending. I want something a little bit smoke out on the edges, so I will blend quite far away. I blended the edges with the Certified color. And now... Attends ma chérie, s'il te plaît, d'accord? J'ai dit silence. And now I'm gonna take the color Positivity, this one, the coral, and I'm gonna place it like on the crease, maybe on the lid, I'm not sure, we will see. So first, continuing on the crease to see if it's working or not. Okay, it's a less pigmented color. So for the moment, I'm just gonna put it on the crease and blending with the Oh Hello color. I think that I'm gonna put Oh Hello on the lid as well. So going with the flat brush, I'm just gonna like blending the two together, but I don't want to like a precise cut crease or something. I just want to blend the two colors together to see the result. Okay, and now I want to put Temptress, the black, on the other V. I'm always scared to use black because I don't want to create a mess or something. But let's see. I'm going slowly because I want to darken this part. There is nothing on the brush, it just doesn't appear clean because it's not. But there is no pigment on it. I want something darker, but I don't want to put the black all over the plum. I still want the plum to show up. So I'm really blending and not going all over the plum color. I'm going a little bit on the crease as well, but not on positivity. I'm just staying on the plum. I'm gonna do the face now and then I will be able to finish the eye. So I did the rest of my face. All the product that I used will be written down below, as usual. I'm gonna take a little bit of Temptress, the black one. I want to do the like foxy eyes on this side again. If you didn't see my video, you can check it up right here. But I really liked the effect. With the black pencil, I'm gonna put some black right here. I'm gonna take now Tipsy Girl, the neon pink, and whoop. The idea is to put it right here. And here as well. I'm gonna take Oh Hello and put that under the eye. There is still a little bit of black and, you know, plum on this brush, but that's what I want because I want the both color to darken the other V. And we connect with the triangle shape right here. Okay, so I put some lashes on. First off, I put a fine line of the black Temptress close to my eyes, you know, for the lashes to blend well. I put some black liner on my underline, on my waterline. And did I do anything else? I don't think so. So let's continue. I think I used all the colors, right? Let's just check. Certified, yes. Positivity, yes. Tipsy Girl, yes. Oh Hello, yes. Temptress, yes. So for lips, I was thinking this color because it's a plum, but I'm not so sure now. Let me check what I have. What else do I have? I think I'm gonna go for a nude. I will begin with the Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color in the color Seduction. I forgot to put some lip liner on, but you totally can. In the center, I'm just gonna tap some Maybelline Driver. And then Jouer Lip Topper in the color Tan Lines. I did like a little line because I felt like it. My Illuminating Mist from e.l.f. Honestly, I'm very glad how this look turned up. I just love those kind of challenges because it really gives me the opportunity to try colors together that I wouldn't have think of. So I'm so glad. I hope that you like those kind of challenges too. Thank you, Amanda, for choosing the color for me. I hope that you like the result. I can wait to see what you did with the color that I choose for you. Don't forget to go subscribe to Amanda's channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're coming from her channel. Thank you so much. Thumbs up if you like the video. Share with a friend who loves makeup as well. And I see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye bye.